If you use Siri often, you hear that voice every single day. And if it doesn't sound natural, friendly, or comfortable to listen to, it can get annoying fast. The good news is your iPhone 17 lets you change how Siri sounds, including different voice variations, so it feels more personal to you. Here's how to change Siri's voice and variation. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Under Siri Requests, tap Voice. You'll see different voice variations and Siri voices. Tap any option to preview how it sounds. Each time you select a new voice or variation, your iPhone will play a short sample so you can hear it before committing. After choosing one you like, wait for the voice to finish downloading. The new Siri voice won't take effect until the download is complete. Once it's done, tap the back key to return to Siri settings. To test it out, activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," and listen to how it responds with the new voice. If it doesn't feel right, you can always go back to the voice menu and try a different variation or voice until you find the one you like. It's a small change, but it can make using Siri feel much more natural. And that's it. If this helped you personalize your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to discover more features you can customize. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.